Hello, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing just great. Okay, today I want to, prepare a very delicious stew, Nigerian stew. Okay, yeah. So, uh, you can see from the video, things that I have here. Yeah, that's my spices. Different spices. So choose the spices of your choice. All right. Then that's my pepper, blended pepper. I have my fresh fish. I have my spinach. Yeah, already washed. That's my spinach. The green leaf. That's my spinach. Okay. I have ginger and garlic blended. Okay. Yeah. Then I have already my uh, chopped onions, and then I have my meats, assorted meat, different kinds of meats. I have my fish also, fresh fish. I have my tomato paste and fresh tomato. So from this video, you can see my fresh tomato, blended fresh tomatoes already on the stove. Okay. Yeah, I need to boil them and bring them to, uh, um, a very I'll need to boil them until they are cooked very well. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so then here I have already started cooking the oil, the vegetable oil, and the onions. Okay, I have to put them for the meat. Yeah, right now I'm trying to cook the meat. So I need to put ingredients like the onions, the garlic, and the ginger, the spices. Okay, all the spices. That's the rosemary, the thyme, the curry, and the turmeric. Okay, yeah, these are my spices. Then I'll put pepper, fresh pepper, even dry pepper, because I want it to be, a bit spicy. All right, that's my pepper. All right, so then I'm gonna steam the meat first without any water. Okay, before I continue. Yeah, you steam it so that all the ingredients, everything can be well absorbed inside the meat. All right, properly. So that the taste will be uh, very good. All right. So then you allow it to steam for some minutes before adding water, before pouring your water inside. Okay. Yeah. So uh, the tomato is already, my fresh tomatoes, you can see it's already cooking. Okay. Yeah. I will cook it until the whole water in the tomatoes, you know, got dry. Yeah, until the water from the tomatoes, they will all dry and it become just a paste. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm putting my fresh fish. Okay, it's gonna cook for some minutes because I don't want it to break and I don't want it to be cooked alongside with the meat because it's gonna pieces. It will just pieces inside the pot. So I have to cook it for some minutes, bring it out, then put it in my air fryer for for it to be fried without oil. Okay, now you can see that big fresh tomatoes. Look at it now. It's now a paste, okay? It has turned into a paste, so there's no more water. The whole water has dried up. Yeah, okay. So that's how to make Nigerian stew. This stew is used for eating rice. You use it to eat rice or spaghetti, like I'm gonna use it to eat spaghetti, okay? Yeah, I can still eat it with rice. Yeah, any of them is just, it goes with any of them is okay. All right. So the meat is very tender now, and I'm gonna, you know, put it down. Yeah, I'm bringing the meat out. I'm separating it from the meat stock. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna still use the meat stock. All right. Yeah, I'll use the meat stock, when I'm frying the stew. But first, I'm gonna put the meat aside. So today, I don't wanna use air fryer for my meat. I just want to cook the meat, and I don't want to fry it with either with air fryer or with oil. I just want to put the meat just like that. Okay. I only put this thing, the fresh fish, inside the air fryer. That's the only thing I want to fry because I don't want it to break into pieces. Okay. Yeah. So using the air fryer, there's no additional oil. So it's healthy, it's okay for me. All right. So while I wait for the pot to hit the pot, yeah, the pot is heating so that I can start the making the stew properly. So while I wait for the pot to heat, here I am. I'm trying to start, cooking the spaghetti. My daughter says she wants to eat spaghetti, okay? Yeah, so I'm making spaghetti, to go along with the stew. Yeah, all right. So look at inside the pot now. I'm putting the remaining onions and the garlic, okay? Yeah, to make the stew, to prepare the stew properly. Yeah, so that's my bay leaves. Yeah, okay. Then the garlic and the ginger blended. So that's the fresh tomatoes. They are going in. Putting the fresh tomatoes, okay, it's already cooked, so it doesn't take time. You don't need to heat it for a long time because it's already cooked. I'm just trying to mix everything together. All right. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add tomato paste with it so that it can give more color. Yeah, more color to the stew, and also added more tomatoes. All right, that's the first. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it for you guys to continue watching. It came out perfectly, very delicious, very scrumptious. All right, yeah. So after making the stew, right now I'm already cooking the spaghetti. Then after that, I'm gonna boil I mean fry the vegetable, the green vegetable. Okay. Yeah, you don't need much to fry vegetable. You just, just need just little drop of oil and a pinch of salt, Yeah, and what is it? I added a little black pepper, yeah, to fry the vegetable. Okay. All right, guys, you're gonna see the outcome. Just continue watching and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know, authentic and unique channel. Okay, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep liking, keep commenting. All right, yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, love you guys. Bye.